Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Aspen Entomology, and here I am with another unboxing video. It's been a very long time since I've made one of these, and for the first time ever in this channel's history, I'm not unboxing darkling beetles. Now, what I have here aren't really much better. In fact, they're a lot worse in my opinion. They're feeder cockroaches for my toad and my vinegaroon. But it's some new content that I can bring to this channel. So these are red runner cockroaches, which I ordered from Rainbow Mealworms online. I ordered 100, although I'm pretty sure I got a lot more than that, as you can see in the video. It's a lot of cockroaches. I wasn't really prepared for that, but I have them now and my toad loves them, so it's a success. As you can see, I'm opening these in the bathtub because I've seen videos before of people unboxing cockroaches where they're just loose in the box. And I gotta say, I'm not really a fan of that method of shipping. I just wanted to be prepared for that. Like physically, I don't think I could have mentally prepared myself for that, but I just wanted to make sure that these wouldn't get out in my house, so I opened them in the bathtub. But it ended up being fine. They're in a deli cup, as you can see. They were all secure. So my girlfriend actually helped me film this video. So thank you to her for that, if you're watching this. I don't know how many girlfriends would help their boyfriends unbox cockroaches, but that's love right there, I guess. You can also see me here introducing them into this critter keeper, which is where I've been keeping them, and I know it looks pretty crowded, but I've been doing some population control. I'm trying to not let them breed for a while as I can thin the population out. As I said, I wasn't really prepared for this amount, because I think they sent extras, and they're also just bigger than I expected, which is my fault, but I have it under control. They're fine. I'm feeding them a lot and doing frequent cleanings, so it's all good. And on the subject of cleaning, they're actually really dirty. They smell bad, but there's not much I can do about that besides putting an air freshener next to them, which is what I had to do with crickets before I got these anyway, so that's not a big deal. But I have another critter keeper, and I've just been switching them out every once in a while when it gets really gross. And I've been cleaning it with hot water and dish soap, and all the smell goes away and I can actually get it pretty clean, so it's not too much maintenance, and I'm able to keep the colony clean. I was also able to control their population by giving about 20 of them to my friend to feed his pet bearded dragon, so that helped a little bit. Another interesting thing is that I actually found some dermestid beetles in the colony. I didn't see them originally, but I saw them while I was cleaning sometime this week. It's just 2 beetles and a larva, so I hope they can become established in there. That would be pretty cool, and they would also help me clean up a bit, so I'm glad about that. And that's pretty much going to be it for this video. I don't have much else to talk about. I do have another unboxing video that I need to edit, and it should be out soon. And if you're getting sick of my terrible mic quality, I have good news for you because I just ordered a new microphone, which should be coming soon, so that means better audio quality. Okay, this is actually the end. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.